Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be testing out and reviewing the new Jeffree Star Alien palette. When I saw Jeffree Star's video of presenting the palette and doing all the swatches, I love the theme behind this palette. I know I just said I love the theme, but I'm not super into like holographics, unicorn, alien. Like I'm not really into that, but the color scheme he's got going on in this palette, beautiful. This is actually my first ever Jeffree Star palette. It's actually my first ever Jeffree Star product. I'm so psyched, you guys. I am so psyched. Before we start though, I need to get rid of these baby hairs and I will show you how I do this. Of course you can use hairspray, but I hate hairspray. So I always just use a good brow gel and run this through my flyaways in my hair. It makes it stay. It doesn't have that gross crinkly feeling. I also do it for my baby hairs. I just slick them back so they're not like everywhere. This is just the Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. So these I try to like twirl down to frame my face. So I just take these flyaways and I just brush them back. Now that most of the flyaways are gone, let's continue on to this video. I already have my face done and I did my brows. I want them straight and sharp. I'm in a fierce mood today. So Daniel is actually the one who first saw the package. He brought it in from outside and he's like, Mary, you got a package. I knew I had ordered this and I also got a 10 for $35 panty deal at Victoria's Secret. So I was like, ooh, is it my undies? And he's like, Mary, there's only one person that this could be from. And then he shows me the box. It's just a bright pink box and it has like his logo all over the front. I mean, I don't want to show you my address, but I don't know, we just started laughing. Of course it came in bubble wrap and tissue paper. It does come in this little cardboard box and it says Jeffree Star Cosmetics Alien. Jeffree Star Cosmetics is cruelty-free and it is all vegan. He has the ingredients of what is in each shadow. So coming out of the box is the Alien palette. This is what it looks like. The eyes have like a 3D effect. You can see it is a faux leather. Of course, he's cruelty-free. In his video, he said to just slide it over like so, and it is magnetic right here, so it can just shut back into place. So you just slide it over and lift up. And there she is. It does come with a mirror up top. I honestly don't know if I'll use it just because I just feel like this connecting part is kind of flimsy, to be honest. And I don't want to just be holding on to the palette just by this part because I'm scared that part's gonna break. So this palette is obviously very fun and you can do a lot of creative looks with this. So I decided I'm gonna do a crazy fun look for you guys first, and then I'm gonna do a second look that's more wearable because everyone wants a wearable palette as well, you know? I'm going to prime my eyes. I don't have anything on my eyelids right now, which is why they look white and discolored compared to the rest of my face. I'm using the Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow base. Ooh, see that black, I'm gonna dig into that black a lot from just trying to hold on to the palette. Just to, I guess, make sure my base is really set and ready to go, I'm gonna go over it with a dense brush and go in with the shade Tighten and put that all over my lid. There is some fallout. Picks up quite a bit of product though. Ooh, I don't know. So far it's kind of a lot of fallout. I'm gonna go on with Abduction and have that be my crease transition shade. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be so hyped if this actually is that pigmented on my eye. I'm taking a small crease brush and let's see if this is as bad as fallout. I don't think it's as much fallout as Tighten, which is awesome. It's just, yeah, I don't think it's as much fallout as Tighten. I'll definitely have to build it. So far it is looking a little dull, so we'll build this up. Hold up. I ain't giving up on you. Maybe we'll try stamping first. Okay, there's a little more color. Let me try a stiffer, different brush. This is kind of just a flat blender brush. And I'm just going to scrape this on one side. See, like it picks up a lot. Let's see here. What if I just stamp it? I know this is a really hard shade to develop, but I'm still like just a little disappointed that it's not really blowing me away. This is like the 6th time I'm going in with abduction, and I don't think the color is going to be any more intense than it already is. I really wanted this color to leap off my face and highlight my anatomy book for me. This is honestly the best that I can get that shade, which I'm so bummed about, man. I wanted a little bit more va-va-voom. I'm going to cut my crease with the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C3. I'm going to take Area 51. Okay, that one had even less fallout. Wow. Okay, let's see. Some, but even less than abduction. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. I'm taking an even smaller brush so I can really get in that crease area. I don't know if you can see this, but there's some parts of my eyelid that are not picking up the color, and so it's starting to look darker in some places. No matter how much more of the shadow I'm putting on it, it's just not wanting to pick up. I don't know if that's my eyelid. I don't know if it's the shade. That's a little better, packing more on top. For this next part, I want to have a little fun with a shape. I'm going to draw and outline a shape using my Physicians Formula eyeliner, and I think I'm just going to make like a half circle pointed thing. I mean, yeah, let's roll with it. I'm going to finish filling in that little triangle. I have a little spit bubble. Now I'm taking more of that concealer and really cleaning up this shape in the inside. I'm gonna go in with Flying Saucer and fill in that shape. This color is probably one of my favorite colors in this whole palette. Okay, I think that looks pretty dang cool. Right above the crease, I'm wanting a little bit more something something, so I'm gonna take the shade Alien and I'm gonna put that right in my crease. I really like that ring of that shimmer shade up there. I think it looks pretty cool. Flat definer brush, I'm taking the shade Ghost OG, stamping this on my lower lash line area. Go back in with Alien and put this on my outer corner. I'm not even done filming this video, but I'm already like, I can't wait to edit it and post it. Like, I'm so excited. This is definitely my thing, you know, like you're so happy doing it. It makes you so happy. This is my thing. On another pencil brush, I'm taking the shade UFO. It's this really gorgeous gold shade. Don't come after me when I say this, but I have just recently started watching Friends for the first time ever. Now, whenever I hear Joey say, "How you doing?" Oh, I love it. I for sure think we need some liner though for that inner rim. Yes, yes. Just do black or we gotta do a color. Come on now. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Line my lower waterline with the NYX Vivid Brights and Vivid Envy. Oh my gosh, I think this is gonna look sick. I hope this is safe to use in your waterline. I mean, it's eyeliner. Shouldn't it be safe for your eyes, even if it's like right on your eye? Oh, nope, it is not. Oh gosh. Wow, I mean, that's pretty, but I definitely don't think that was the smartest thing I've ever done in my life. Now there's like a sheen on my contact. Now it's making it look, everything looks smoky. Okay, moving on. I kind of want to highlight my inner corner with Interstellar. Yeah, why not? Sure, why not? Ooh-wee. at that. Look at that. Look at it. Now I'm gonna take the shade Pluto and put that on my eyebrow bone. I'm gonna pop on some mascara and lashes. I'll be right back. Wow. Guys, this palette is dope. This look on the eyelid going on, it almost reminds me of a dinosaur egg cracking. I mean, that kind of goes with the theme, alien, dinosaur, kind of, maybe. I don't know, but that's what it reminds me of. I really don't want to take this off, but I'm going to because I also want to show you a wearable look that you can also create using this palette. Alright, so I already primed and set my eyes. I'm again gonna go in with Titan and just make sure my eyes are really locked and loaded and ready to go. I'm gonna go in with the shade Gravity. That's so cute. Okay, on a fluffy crease brush. That one has kind of the same amount of fallout as Titan, honestly. Okay, ooh, gorgeous shade. Look how soft that went on. Ooh, butter. You hear that? That's Oscar trying to dig through the carpet to find a comfy spot. Wow, I'm really liking that shade. That is really pretty. Taking kind of a packer blending brush, it's just a little bit more flimsy than the one we used earlier with the other look. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Phone Home. See if that got fallout. Yeah, it does a little bit. Kind of do this right in the same area. Oh my gosh, this is this shade, people. This is a shade I live for. You guys, look how soft these are applying. I cannot get over. Oh my gosh. I seriously could just stop here and I would be so happy I just bought this palette. Just by using these two colors, I'd be like, yep, get it. Gosh, that Phone Home shade. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. I know I need to use some more colors. I'm gonna go in with the, not Ghost OG, where you at? X-Files. I'm just gonna slightly dust it. Okay, going back in with Phone Home. Legit, as of right now, if I had to pick one shade to use on my eyes for the rest of my life, it would be this one. It would be this one. I'm gonna go in with Tall Gray. You know what? I'm gonna put that Tall Gray shade all over my eyelid. Ooh, yes. Ooh. This palette seriously has me all sorts of excited. I'm gonna take that same pencil brush and I'm gonna go into Black Hole now and just slightly deepen up that outer corner. I'm actually gonna take an angle definer brush. Okay, I put on some of my Physicians Formula Killer Curves mascara. I'm not gonna put on lashes because I don't need lashes with this look. So last step, I'm gonna highlight my inner corner and brow bone with the shade Pluto. Alright guys, those were the two looks I created with the new Jeffree Star Alien palette. I'm telling you, even based off those two first shades, get the palette. The one shade to me in this palette that's kind of like random is Martian Soil. It's that kind of mustardy yellow. I mean, I'm sure you can incorporate it in some of these looks, of course. I just feel like it doesn't go with the whole color scheme going on. The shade Titan definitely had the most fallout out of all the shades that I used today. This palette does retail for $52 on JeffreeStarCosmetics.com, but currently it is sold out, unfortunately. But of course, you know Jeffree Star, he will restock it as soon as possible, as quickly as possible. This is probably my favorite palette that I own. I love it so much. That Phone Home shade, that Phone Home Shade. It speaks to my soul on such a deep level. I highly, highly, highly recommend it. You will not regret getting this palette. If you like this video and want me to continue to review new products, make sure to leave a thumbs up and comment down below what you would like me to review next. And please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really does mean a lot. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!